up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Yes, it has definitely been a minute since I uploaded a video, but in that time, literally, it was the holiday, Ben's birthday, a lot of stuff going on, a lot of stuff I did behind the scenes that is going to work for this channel as well. Get excited for that. That is like so close now. A lot of you have been asking for this stuff for the longest time. And I finally did a few things to finalize that, and it should be here very, very soon. I cannot wait to bring that to not only you guys, but to the world, because it's going to be awesome, and it's just going to be an awesome movement. It's going to be awesome. Stay tuned for that. So I've been doing a lot behind the scenes, but today we are doing also a lot. As you know, I've had these fender flares sitting here for like a long time. They don't take long to put on, but I've been so like caught up in whatever. I need to get the 3M off the back and put those on the truck. However, to put them on the truck, I want to prep the truck. I want to get it clean, and I want to get it buffed. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna show you guys how to buff a SEMA truck that big. We're gonna be doing that, get the paint all perfect, because there are quite a few scratches. Plot twist though, my truck has ceramic coating on it. I don't know if I'm gonna buff through it. I don't know if I'm gonna buff it off. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna see what happens today. Alright, so first things first, we're going to actually bring this truck a little closer so I'm not working so far, and an extension cord doesn't have to go so far either. So what I did yesterday is I actually gave the truck a wash. Now if you look at this here, I don't know if you can catch this on camera. There you go. We've got scratches all up in either the ceramic coat or the clear. I'm guessing it's the ceramic coat because it's on top of that. But we've got scratches all up in it. Let's see over here. Couple fine swirls there as well, where I'm always leaning over the hood. So this paint clearly is not perfect. So we're going to be correcting that paint today. I'm going to show you how to do that two-step process. Super simple. Will take time. But it's so simple, anyone can do it at home. I'm not a professional, and I'm probably not going to do it to the T correctly. But if you guys remember 2 videos ago where I was putting those wheels and tires on that Timberland green truck, yeah, I just buffed that the other day. And that thing looks spectacular. So we're going to pull this around, and we're going to get started. So I'm going to put this in the simplest terms here. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need a buffer. Yeah, just a buffer. You're going to need a cutting pad, and you're going to need a polishing pad. For the cutting pad, you're going to be using Meguiar's 105. And for the polishing pad, you're going to be using Meguiar's 205. This is one of the most iconic duos in the game. So many people use the 105-205 method. It is unreal, and I can tell you, it gives you unreal results. It does an awesome job. Like I said, I'm not a professional. I'm not buying the crazy expensive cuts and polishes. This together, this set is probably about 50-60 bucks for these giant bottles, and I've done multiple vehicles with them, so it's definitely worth it. As you can see, this is an extra heavy cut, and this is a fine cut to finish your polishing. Something to remember when buffing: you can buff through the clear coat. So if you buff your truck with this 2-stage process 4 times a year, you will run out of clear coat very quick. Don't do that. This is like I'm fixing my paint and I'm not gonna mess it up again. From here on out, just take caution, use the correct washing methods, stuff like that, and you'll be fine. So we're gonna get started here with the 105 on. Let's do the bedside first here, and then we'll work our way up. Definitely gonna need a ladder to get up there. That'll be simple, and then we'll repeat the other side. And for the tailgate, the hood, not so bad because it is solemnly touched. So if it's real bad, we'll probably just hit it with a polish. That's another thing to take aim at here. If you got a lot of swirls, use the 2-step. But if you got minimal swirls, don't be afraid just to polish. Like I said, you can go through your clear. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys one more look at this. Let me see, like, there you go in the light. Look at that. It's hard to tell off green paint, which is definitely a plus to a color like this, but you can see it. I hope you can see those scratches, and we're gonna make this look like glass. Obviously there is a decal on the truck. We're gonna go around it for now. I think for SEMA, I'm probably gonna switch this up, so I'll be taking it off then, and then obviously you'll see where it needs buffed afterwards. But for now, that'll stay like that, and then just remember that. Okay, so like I said, your buffer and get your cutting pad. Next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna take your 105 and also prep your pad. Get it in there, rub it in, because this is a very thick pad. And then when you're ready to start, you're gonna add pea-sized drops, probably about 3 to 4 with a pad this size. And then you're gonna start off by rubbing it on your paint. So keep the splatter and all that down. I'm gonna bring you closer so you can see what's happening. Okay, so now that 105 cut is gonna bring the big scratches out. Now, if you look at it right now, there are still gonna be fine scratches in the paint because that's a heavy cut. To get rid of all of the scratches, you're gonna go through and hit it with the polish, which we're gonna do next. Now, me being me, I wipe off all the heavy compound prior to polishing because you don't wanna mix them together. I just use, again, the quick detailer and a micro. Like I said, 205 fine cut. Same concept, couple drops around the pad, spread it on the paint, and go to town. Okay. Now, same concept. Wipe off all your polish, microfiber, quick detailer. Okay, now I hope you can see this. Other than these few streaks left over, and now a fingerprint left over from my microfiber, a lot to almost all of those scratches are gone. Now, if you look at this, look at that. That's what I'm saying. And now this section here was just polished and not cut. I just want to show you guys that on this side of the star. But that part right there, that was just polished, no cut. This is no polish, no cut. Look at all that. And then this is polished and cut. And you look from down here, I mean, you can get the best look right there. Look how shiny that is. It's a mirror. This thing looks awesome. Okay, so I gotta finish cleaning the rest of this door off, all the polish and crap, but I just wanna show you how awesome this pillar looks. You can probably already see it from here. Look at that. So like I said, there's still some kind of smudge from my towel on there, but you can see how much better that thing looks. It's such a difference. Such a difference. I know you can see that on camera, but it looks awesome. Alright guys, so I pretty much have this whole half done and there's still splatter all over the glass, but that's besides the point. I just want to show you. Look at, first of all, look at the glass. Look at that. Look, Just look at that. Look at that shine, guys. That is absolutely incredible. Oh my goodness. Good. I need to like film like this more often. Anyway. And then obviously you guys saw. Look at that. Remember how many scratches were here? Look at that. So clearly, yes, it takes a lot of work, but the results are definitely worth it. I'm gonna knock out the rest of this. Hopefully it goes a lot faster, and I'll show you the final results. Okay, so a day, more like an afternoon of work later, I'm exhausted, all the above, but the truck looks damn good. I can tell you that. Literally from here, I'm just gonna show you. I'll show you everything, but from here, I'll show you how shiny this is and how awesome the paint looks. Yeah. Look at that mirror. So when you get up on it, this is I turned the truck around, so this is the other side. You're not seeing the same side, but look at how shiny this is. This is buffed, polished. There's still some factory like orange peel, but like look at how shiny that is. My goodness. So yeah, now you can see it did an amazing job. Now this is like I could be honest, 99% of the scratches are gone. There's still some in there. If I worked a little bit harder at it and used the cutting pad for a little longer, I probably could have got them all out. And the paint looks dusty. The paint's so clean you can see dust on it. But look at that. The paint just looks absolutely phenomenal. Look at that shine, guys. Look at that. So guys, there you have the 105-205 process from Meguiar's. It is a heavily used combination in the detailing world. Lots and lots of people do it because you get results like this. Like I said, I'm not a professional. I'm not spending hundreds of dollars on like the extremely heavy, medium, fine cut, compounds from whatever company. This stuff gives you amazing results. Like I said, look, this cab corner is what makes me so happy from where it came to where it's at. And just the paint in general looks just phenomenal. You can't, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Look at this. Hey, hi, how you doing? It gives you amazing results. Like I said, for both of them, one's 20 bucks, one's 30 bucks. And I did this whole truck. I did my buddy's whole truck. I used the 205 on my bumpers when I wet sanded it. There's a lot of compound and product in there. You can do so many vehicles so many times. Probably 3 or 4 huge trucks. I buffed it the first time with the 205 when I did the ceramic coat. You can get a lot out of these bottles. Yeah, now I would be lying if I said I did the roof. Skip the roof because 1, it's not very scratched up, and 2, most people don't see that. So completely skip the roof. May do it some other day, but it's hot, I'm sweaty, definitely done. It took me a lot of work to get that done, so we didn't do the roof. Another reason I did this is because I want to put my flares on, so I want to keep the paint underneath it as clean and nice as possible before we get those flares on in the next couple days here. And this is completely funny because I was actually looking at my Snapchat doing this, and somebody messaged me. He's like, dude, how do you get paint swirls out of your paint? I'm looking at my Silverado right now and the paint is just trashed. And I said, that's wild, because I'm literally filming a video on that as you sent me that out of the blue, which is just absolutely crazy. Perfect timing, that's for sure. But look at this, guys. This paint is just awesome. One thing you need to watch out, I did make the mistake of hitting the emblem with the buffer, so it did take the black paint off. I'll either hit it with gloss black or order a new emblem. I think this was like 20 bucks, so I'll either order a new emblem or hit that with gloss black paint. So watch out for your emblems, guys, that's for sure. I did make that mistake of accidentally hitting the buffer on that, and it took that paint off, so watch your emblems. So guys, other than that awesome tutorial there, like I said at the beginning of the video, we got lots of stuff coming. Like I said, in these days when I was, all these days over the holidays with Ben's birthday, all this stuff, I did a lot of stuff for this channel that is going to be sick. And you guys have been asking for some of this stuff for a while now, and it's coming. I'm working with a company here that will bring you guys an awesome opportunity for parts for your vehicles as well, along with an awesome look for this truck. and for many builds to come, that's for sure. Stay tuned for that because that's going to be sweet. So stay tuned. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. Take care. I will see you guys in the next videos coming up. We're going to start rolling here because it's going to get awesome. It's going to get crazy. Like I said, lots and lots of stuff is going to start happening, and you guys are really going to enjoy it. Thank you guys. I'm pretty sure as this video is uploaded, we just hit 79,000 subscribers. So we're getting closer. We're getting closer to 100, which is unreal, and I appreciate all of your support. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned because it's going to get awesome. Peace.